Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take off Infiniti Q50 rear bumper. Easy method. Remove tail lights first by unscrewing 3 bolts, then unclip inner panels and detach license plate bracket. Support the bumper with a jack or helper to prevent scratches. Disconnect parking sensors and wiring harness gently to avoid damage. Unbolt lower splash shield and any remaining fasteners, then slide the bumper straight back and lift it off carefully. Begin by opening the trunk and locating hidden fasteners behind the trim panels, then pop the clips carefully with a trim tool. Remove the tail lights by taking out the visible bolts and gently pulling straight out, watching for any wiring. Keep track of screws and clips in labeled containers to make reassembly fast and stress-free. If a clip resists, apply penetrating oil and work slowly to avoid breaking plastic parts. With the bumper supported, disconnect parking sensors and adapter plugs by pressing the release tabs and pulling straight out to protect connectors. Remove lower bolts and any foam absorber clips, then slowly separate the bumper from the body mounts. Inspect mounting tabs for cracks or damage and replace any broken clips before reinstalling. Clean mating surfaces and touch up scratches to prevent rust and to ensure a snug, even reinstallation when you reverse the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.